2017 Vengeance 31V. We're going to take a look at that one now. This one comes with a slide. A lot of travel trailer toy haulers typically don't. So this is a nice feature, and you'll see it as we get inside. It also comes with a big battery tray. Looks like you can fit at least 2 batteries on there and potentially carry a generator if you wanted. Of course, it's got the typical storage. This one has the 2 doors. One in the garage itself, and of course the living quarters here. Come on inside. So as you can see, when you get inside, you have the separated garage system here. You have the nice living space with the big 4-person couch. You got some nice storage up above, and over toward the kitchen area, a nice 8 cubic foot refrigerator, television, little L-shaped kitchen area, so you got plenty of counter space for the coffee pot and so forth. This unit comes with a stove top as well as a convection microwave. As we look toward the bedroom and bathroom area, the bathroom has got a lot of nice space in here with a very large showering area and sink and so forth. And then the bedroom toward the front is a walk-around bed, which typically people want more than the usual east-west beds. So you got a lot of space here walking around. You got a nice couple of closets and some other covered areas up there, along with a TV in the bedroom. So now we'll move toward the cargo area. So you've got a 10-foot box, so you can handle any motorcycle. It's got the couches set up on the side that convert to a bed as well, and it's also got the electric chain drive second bed if you needed it. Then it also comes complete with the nice screen, so you can separate the bugs from the outside. And it does have the patio deck feature as well to fence the three sides outside, and you can make it into a deck. So this is one of many new and pre-owned travel trailer toy haulers, as well as fifth wheel toy haulers, that we have here today at Vermont Country Campers. Come down and take a look at them all. You'll be happy you did.